Hey everyone guys, in today's tutorial I will show you how to change the country in the Western Union app. Okay, this is important when you're moving to a new country or maybe you actually need to send money internationally with the correct settings. So let's actually get started. So first things first guys, what you want to do is you want to open up the Western Union app. So launch the app on your phone and make sure you're actually logged in. And then what you want to do guys is you want to go to your settings. So what you're going to do is tap on the menu icon, which is located usually in the top left or bottom right corner. And then you want to basically scroll down and select settings or profile. Okay. Then, guys, you need to edit your country, right? So look for the country or region option, and then you want to tap on it, guys. And then you just want to select your new country from the drop down or list that is actually provided. And after you do this, guys, after you select the new country, the app may actually ask for confirmation. You want to review any changes to the services or currencies available, and then just tap on confirm. And then basically guys, depending on the region, the app may actually log you out. You want to yo